Okay, so we have two definitions. One of them is about critical points of a function f. So the critical point of a function means the point x, okay, so it is x value for which the derivative is 0. And also we have singular points of f, and singular points are those points x which are in the domain of the function and such that the derivative is undefined. For example, if you look at this absolute value function at x equals 0, we know that the function has no derivative at x equals 0, right? So this is undefined. And this means that x equals 0 is a singular point of this absolute value function. Okay, so where are the extreme points? Where are these extreme points? They can be located in three different places. One of them is critical points, the points where the derivative is 0. Okay, so these guys. And the second one is singular points, those points where the derivative is undefined. And the last one is endpoints of the domain of definition of the function. Okay, so we can see this on the first figure. So you see the minimum and maximum values had to occur on the endpoints of the domain. So this point is basically, I try to draw it such that this is a singular point of the function. Okay, so there's a cusp like this. So the derivative is, so f prime c is undefined. And this is a maximum value. You see that the tangent here is horizontal, which means the derivative at e is 0. And similarly for this one, the derivative at d equals 0. Okay, so these are critical points. Okay, so these two are critical points, and this one is a singular point, and these two are endpoints.